Hello everyone, I'm excited to address a topic that's been generating a lot of buzz, the Paradigm Shift Conference. Now you might be wondering what exactly is this? Paradigm shift refers to the significant change in industry when the conventional way of thinking or doing things to be replaced a new and different approach. In this students recruitment landscape, the old marketing strategies are no longer effective and a rapid shift is happening with the new AI-driven technology. Join us in this conference and discover the AI revolution in the students recruitment. We have been in this industry for the long time and we have noticed a gap. Master agents like KC, GB, Apply, Board and others, they are not giving any value to the partners to grow their business or increase their market shares. Most of the times in the meeting and agenda, they demand to refer more students or pay you high commissions. But unfortunately, you do not get any guidance on how to become a leader in the study abroad market or achieve a success in your business. Agents are left behind to find the ways to generate the leads and converting them and managing your team's responsibility. That's where the Study Metro Paradigm Shift Conference comes in. The whole day workshop is designed to educate the business owner at what kind of strategy you can use it to scale your business rapidly. We'll have a whole day workshops where we have different sessions. As a business owner, what are the principles you should follow it to scale your business? As a counselors or the BDMs, what are the ways you are making the mistakes and how you can overcome that? Then we will also cover the Facebook campaigns, how you can optimize your campaign to paying less per lead. Also, we'll have new products launched by the Study Metro, which will let you know how the AI system can help you to scale your business in your area. So get ready for interactive games and engaging activities throughout the conference. We are not just about the business. We want you to enjoy the learning experience. Let's share the delicious lunch, networking, and gain valuable insight to know each other better. As a company, our focus is to deliver a value beyond just asking for the students' referral. I'm genuinely looking forward to seeing each one of you in the person at the Paradigm Shift Conference. Words can't express how eager I am for this opportunity. Take care, stay connected. I'm signing off now and see you the Monday.